Are you tired of your job? Or are you looking for one? Have you ever heard of coders and the evolution of the coding industry? You don't know how to code? Well, that's no problem. Just leave it to us. What you freshers should be thinking about is, can one Kickstarter program change your life and turn you into a pro coder earning a big wallet salary, working for the big guns in the industry like Google, Amazon, Meta, and more? Yes, all that is possible and so much more. You see, we're back with the all-in-one Coding Program 2.0. The most loved and valued coding program is here, becoming a pro in the world of coding starting from scratch. We listen to our backers and we try to bring the best valued programs to all of you, bigger and better than ever. Indulge in over 550 hours of interactive training. Learn over 15 programming languages from scratch, along with over 110 latest and trending tools and software. Work on real-world projects. This program is for freshers and people with no coding knowledge. Now, anyone can learn to code. Coding can change lives. Are you struggling to pay bills? Are you working 2 jobs and it's not enough? Coding can be your step towards redemption. Get an industry-accepted certificate and land your dream job. This program will have 9 tiers in total. Each tier will help you upskill with specific tools and technologies in the world of coding. Concepts, trending, software and tools, real-world projects, job opportunities, and so much more. You'll learn about coding essentials to start off with and work your way through mastering web development, software engineering, along with app development as well. You'll also learn ethical hacking, blockchain technology, and also the latest from the world of AI and ML. You can also learn to build your own freelancing career with hands-on guidance from seasoned professionals. In addition, you'll learn project management and also equip yourself with interview preparation. Eduonix has helped millions of working professionals, freshers, and just about anybody with a will to upskill. With over 10 years of online learning pedigree, we provide best-in-class online learning material with trending tools and technologies. Some of our students are now working in Fortune 500 companies. Learn from global instructors along with industry experts at the helm. We have 29 successfully launched projects and the trust of over 10,000 backers. We now bring the most curated and best value for money coding program to make you future ready. Help us spread the word by pledging and sharing the campaign, as this program aims to take coding to the next level and beyond. Pledge now to avail various early bird benefits.